Have you ever wondered why ancient pyramids were built in the shape of a perfect triangle?
And even more importantly, how did ancient people build something so massive?
Without cranes, bulldozers, or modern heavy equipment.
Thousands of years ago,
The ancient Egyptians did not have modern machines.
no giant excavators, no mobile cranes, no trucks capable of carrying massive stone blocks. And yet,
They built some of the most incredible structures in human history.
the Great Pyramid of Giza was built using millions of stone blocks.
Some of these blocks weighed several tons.
So, how did they move them?
The ancient Egyptians used simple tools made from copper, stone, and wood.
Copper tools could be used to cut softer limestone. For harder stones, such as granite,
They used extremely hard stone tools and abrasive materials like sand.
the process was slow,
But with enough workers, patience,
and engineering knowledge.
they could shape enormous blocks of stone. To move these heavy blocks, the Egyptians likely used wooden sledges.
Workers pulled the stones across the ground, while water may have been poured onto the sand in front of the sled. This could reduce friction,
Making the heavy blocks easier to pull.
but moving the stones was only half the challenge. The blocks also had to be lifted higher and higher, until they reached the top of the pyramid. This is where ramps may have been used. Some theories suggest straight ramps,
Others suggest zigzagging ramps, or ramps that wrapped around the pyramid as construction continued. We may never know exactly which method was used.
but one thing is certain. They achieved all of this without modern cranes, engines,
Or heavy machinery.
and the pyramid shape itself made the structure incredibly strong.
With a wide base and a narrow top, the weight of the stones was distributed downward toward the ground. The triangular sides also helped prevent the structure from collapsing. But the engineering becomes even more impressive when you consider the precision.
The Great Pyramid was
Aligned remarkably closely with the four cardinal directions,
north, south, east, and west,
and all of this was done thousands of years ago.
using only simple tools, mathematics, astronomy.
And human labor.
So here's the question. Were the ancient Egyptians simply incredibly skilled engineers?
Or did they have construction techniques that we still don't fully understand today?
What do you think?
How do you think they moved and lifted those massive stones?
Let us know your theory in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe,
For more incredible facts, mysteries,
and stories from the ancient world.